In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Rolex Explorer bracelet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly undo the bracelet on a Rolex Explorer. You will be able to remove it and then replace it, or just do any sorts of repairs that are needed. So removing the bracelet from your Rolex Explorer follows the same principles as removing the bracelet from most other Rolex models. It is recommended to use a specialized tool, but even if you don't have it, you can still use an alternative like a toothpick or a paperclip. If you have it, ideally use a spring bar tool because you will need to remove the spring bar from inside of the bracelet. So try to acquire a spring bar tool. It is very precise and makes this process much easier. All that you have to do is locate the spring bar. Usually it is going to be positioned here along the end of the bracelet or the start of the bracelet. So you will undo it on both sides. So insert the spring bar tool here. And once it is inserted, you will be able to push on the actual spring bar. So gently push the tool inwards. This will compress the string bar and you should feel or see it move. So when you press down on these ends here, you will be able to feel it move. Once the first end has been removed, you can repeat it with the other and it should jump right out. So do the same for the other lug holes and you will be able to fully remove both sides of the bracelet. After this is done, you can use the same spring bar to load a replacement in. If you want to, you can also use a set of tweezers, so you will insert the tweezers on either ends here. I apologize for this being hard to see, but the basic idea is the same. You are simply trying to press down on the spring bar. And by pressing down on it, it should release, allowing you to remove the bracelets. I hope I was able to help you on how to remove Rolex Explorer bracelet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.